So hey guys, what's up? It's Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you my 2018 charm collection. And I actually started making all of these clay charms in the beginning of 2018, like in the spring. So these are all the charms I made from then up to now. So let's get into this video. So to first start off, I'm starting on this bottom box and working my way to the left. So I have these two cute reindeer cupcakes. This cute little present. These two candy cane charms. These three peppermint charms. These three cute tea bag charms. This creeper charm from Minecraft. These four narwhals. This Subway sandwich charm. A tiny realistic pizza charm. These two paint palette charms. A tiny macaroon. Two peas in a pod. This Baymax charm. These two cupcake charms. This unicorn necklace. Another unicorn necklace. And a unicorn necklace with roses in its hair. And then I have a tiny unicorn charm. A BFF taco necklace. Two lemon slices BFF necklaces. Another BFF lemon slice necklace. A bacon and egg BFF necklace. A pushing cat necklace. And I have this donut charm bracelet. Christmas heart cookie charm bracelet. 4 Christmas cookie charms. 2 muffin charms. 2 marble macaroon charms. A purple macaroon. 3 donut charms. A bigger marble macaroon charm. A bigger purple macaroon charm with a face. 2 tiny Oreo charms. A bat charm. A candy corn. A little pumpkin. A Yorkie dog charm. A pug charm. A sparkly rainbow BFF necklace. Another rainbow BFF necklace. A sparkly shooting star necklace. 2 avocado BFF necklaces that fit together. Hamburger and fries BFF necklace. Two present charms. More present charms. 2 more present charms, and the one to the right is glow in the dark. a knitted macaroon keychain, a knitted macaroon charm, a Subway sandwich keychain, a lemon cake with a slice taken out of it, a glow-in-the-dark ghost keychain, and then I have 3 Harry Potter keychains with the Deathly Hollow symbol. A donut necklace, another donut necklace, a fancy macaroon necklace, a cat hamburger necklace, another hamburger and fries BFF necklace, 2 peanut butter and jelly BFF necklaces, and then just a peanut butter necklace. For peppermint hair clips, a snitch from Harry Potter, two donut bookmarks, 3 Oreo bookmarks, two cactus bookmarks, and here are some things that did not fit in my box. I have this Harry Potter figurine, and then this Voldemort figurine, two different colored earrings, peppermint earrings, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse earrings. So guys, this was my 2018 clay charm collection. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!